So you rolled out a workflow orchestration platform to more than 5,000 people now, with the people that Centre of Excellence controlling it. They've all been the pointy end of the spear. They've been the people that they're delivering the change to and with. That's their background. That is a rare thing. And it is an incredibly impressive thing to have done that. Do you think that helped in actually bedding the change in with the people across the company?
It definitely did. See, usually when someone comes with a piece of technology, they'll react very, very differently if the person that brings that technology speaks their language or don't. So usually there is a breach between operations and technology in every company.
Yeah.
Technologists get frustrated because operational folks don't adhere or don't embed in their day-to-day the technology.
They don't play by the damn rules.
Correct. In the other hand, operational folks get frustrated with the technology because it doesn't fix their day-to-day problems, or it fixes some problems, but it lacks to address the main problems that potentially cause them to stay later at night every single week, miss some time with their family. So by having the technology brought to them by one of their own, really made it easier. I'm not gonna say that it was easy, but it made it easier for them to adopt the new ways of working and embed the technology, creating that consistency on the service delivery at a global level.
So I think that's a fantastic story of doing that level of change, that level of transformation with a citizen workforce, by the people, for the people, from the people, for the people. That is a fantastic story.